Hey guys, how you doing? All right, so I was thinking about this metric system thing today, and put together this little graphic to help my class study for the metric system and conversions. Now, what I have here is three base units. I have meters, liters, and grams. Now, I have those three because now we're talking length, volume, and mass, or weight, however you want to look at it. Because these are three of the most likely instances that my fifth grade students are going to come across. Now, what we talked about next was how great the metric system is because, again, it is very standardized. To the left, we have kilo. Okay? Now, over here, kilometer, kiloliter, kilogram. All measurements, all of them, by a factor of 1,000, depending on if you're converting from kilos to standard base unit or base unit to kilos. We'll get to that in a second, though. And then down on the other end of the spectrum, I have milli. So we have millimeter, milliliter, milligram. Now, we talked about how we're all going from largest to smallest as we go across the board. But then we started talking about how easy these conversions are. And again, by factors of 1,000. When I'm going from a larger to the next smaller unit in this representation, from kilometer to meter, I'm just going to multiply by 1,000. When I am going from meter to millimeter, again, multiplying by a factor of 1,000. So, like, for example, if I'm talking about 2 kilometers, I ask them, how many meters is this? They're going to say 2 kilometers, follow the line, times 1,000 equals 2,000 meters. And now, let's say, for example, I'm asking them, okay, well, what if I have 3 kiloliters of liquid? And I always like to refer to it as children's tears because I tell them teachers are fueled by that. And, it's pretty true. But that aside, we have 3 kiloliters of these tears. Now, and I want to know, well, how many milliliters is that? Well, again, I'm going to multiply. First, I take 3 kiloliters times 1,000, gives me 3,000 liters. Then I'm going to take that 3,000 liters, and I'm going to multiply it by another factor of 1,000, and I'm going to end up with 3 million milliliters of children's tears. Delicious. Keeps me going for at least a week. At least that's what I tell them. I don't know. Anyway, and if you're going backwards from smallest to largest, we're just going to divide. You divide your milliliters by 1,000 to get to liters, and then again. And you just go like that. I just think it's a great graphic to use, great representation, condenses it all into one for them, and again, gives them length, volume, and mass. Anyway, hope this helped out. Talk to you guys again soon.